guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about the new Nykaa Conceal and Corrector Palettes. Now these were just launched and I was so excited to review them for you guys. So as you can see, I have zero makeup on my face today because I want to apply everything in front of you guys and test everything. So let's just get started. Now of course I want to prime the face first like usual. So they come in this really nice pinky packaging that all Nykaa products come in, and this is what the product looks like. Now this is the Correct and Contour palette, so you get 4 different color correctors and you also get contouring colors, and this is what it looks like. I've played with this one before and I already know this one is really lovely. The great thing is they do come in 3 different shades to suit all different skin tones. So this is what the shade Deep looks like. So you get a color corrector, you get a brightening concealer, and you get contouring and concealing concealers. Here is what that looks like. And of course they have the same nice magnetic packaging that their eyeshadows and blushes have. This is the medium one, so again you get the color corrector, a brightening concealer, and then contouring and concealing concealers. And this one is light, and this is for those of you that are really fair, and you get a really nice concealing and contouring palette. So I love that there are different shades for everyone to choose from. I've only played with the Corrector palette as of now, and they're really creamy. They blend really well. They're really pigmented. I already know that because I've already played with this one, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with the orangey shade, and I'm just gonna pick it up on my brush and apply it wherever I apply my corrector. Look at that. That is super pigmented. It's definitely gonna hide any of the purple undertoned dark circles and all of that. An orange corrector is great to hide your dark circles because dark circles are usually purpley, bluey, greeny in color, and orange counteracts that. Yellow is great for brightening, and green is great to hide redness. So green is great for spot concealing any pimples and acne scars that you have that are red. You just want to apply a little bit of green on that and then go over with your foundation. Oh my god, this is really pigmented. So you can see it blends so well but still has that pigment. And I'm just gonna apply some under my eyes. You can also just simply use your fingers to apply this. Okay, so that's on. You can see it's quite pigmented. It's covered really well, and I want the orange to be a little more prominent under my eyes to hide any of the dark circles and all of that. Now I'm gonna quickly apply my foundation. I'm gonna use the Nykaa Get Set Click Cream to Powder Compact, and I like mixing the shade number 2 and shade number 3. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and dot both of them together. That's just how I like to use them because my perfect shade is a mixture of 02 and 03, and apply it on my face. Okay, so the foundation is on. You can see it has amazing coverage. It definitely has buildable coverage. You could just take a brush in this and just swipe it all over your face to get a really nice sheer to medium coverage, or take a beauty blender and really pack it on to achieve a full coverage. You can see the redness of the corrector, the oranginess of the corrector still peeking through because we need to apply a concealer. So I'm going to take the light palette and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that how I apply my concealer normally. I like that it has a yellow undertone. It's really going to brighten up. It's a great everyday product. You can just take your fingers and apply it like you apply a normal concealer. I like being over the top and high maintenance. That's why I use brushes and sponges. Otherwise you can just take your finger and apply this. Okay, now I'm gonna look like a ghost. Let's blend. As you can see, it blends quite well and really quickly. Oh my god, just look at that coverage. And I love this yellow tone concealer. This was super brightening. I don't even need the yellow shade anymore because the concealer in itself was super brightening. But if you want some extra brightening, you can definitely just take the yellow one. I'm just going to take a touch and apply that right in the inner corner just to really brighten things up. Not that I need to because the concealer is just so amazing, but you guys know me, I need to go all the way. Now since this is a cream product, I highly recommend you set this because if you don't set this, it will crease. It's super creamy and quite pigmented, so you definitely need to set it. So I'm just gonna get rid of the creases first, like I always do with all my other concealers as well. Now I'm just gonna set it with some powder. I'm just gonna set my under eyes with powder right now because my under eyes are the first to crease, and also around my mouth because my laugh lines tend to crease as well. Now I want to go back to that palette to contour, so I'm just gonna take this shade, the middle one, and just contour my nose with that. Now I'm going to take the first shade I concealed with and just draw a line in the center. Look at that! Oh my god, I love my nose contour today. I'm gonna go back to that contouring shade and just contour this 5 head. This one's not dark enough for my forehead, so I'm just gonna take this shade from the Corrector Palette and just add little dots of this shade. So now you just want to blend all of that, and you can see it blends really easily, really smoothly. Okay, that was super quick and super easy to blend. Okay, now that everything's contoured and concealed, I'm gonna apply my compact. This is the Nykaa SKINgenius compact in the shade Rose Beige. Now I'm gonna quickly do my brows and come back. Okay, so I'm back with eyebrows and mascara, a little bit of kajal and lip liner. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Dilli. This is one of my favorite shades from their collection. So while that's drying, I'm just going to take my Nykaa Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and I'm going to take this peachy pinky shade. And now I'm gonna take my Nykaa Highlighter Duo. This is in the shade 24K Glam, and I'm just gonna take this really, really beautiful gold shade. Look at that! Oh my god, that is crazy. Also gonna apply some on my collarbone. Okay, so I'm done with the makeup. I'm glowing like a disco ball, as you can see. Let's just fix everything in place. Okay, so that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Oh my god, I am glowing. Look at that glow. I'm just going to share the swatches of all of the palettes in this range. These are the shades of the Correct and Contour palette. You can see there are 4 different types of correctors and contouring concealers. These are the swatches of the Light palette. These are the swatches of the Medium palette. And here are the swatches for the Deep palette. So those were the swatches for all the palettes. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed this. Do let me know which one you will be getting in the comments down below. And I'm just so distracted by this highlighter right now. Oh my god, I keep looking at this glow on my face. But yeah, I hope you're subscribed to my channel already. If you're not, please take a moment to click the little red subscribe button down there. You can also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and follow me on Instagram for Insta stories and behind the scenes and all of that fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.